You've heard a lot of ideas here. Some of them are good, some of them are really good, and some of them are a little bit harebrained. And I think you have to decide which are the good ones and which are the bad ones and which are the harebrained ones. One of the things that's going to happen for sure is that on November the 16th, the day after the election, you're going to have a mixed council. You're going to have some NPA, you're going to have some Visions, you're going to have some Greens, you might have some Cedars, some Vancouver First, you might even have some Coast. You're going to have a mixture of people who are going to have to decide the future of the city. So the question you have to ask yourself is, who do you want to lead that? Do you want somebody that comes from one of the places where they are bitterly opposed to the people at the other side, or do you want somebody who can bring those people together in a way that can actually make them contribute to the city? And I'm saying that's what you want, and I'm asking you to vote for me as an independent mayor to take the city forward with the rest of that mixed slate. Thank you.